Hey everybody, this is Sami, business strategist for real estate agents and lifestyle coach. In today's tutorial, I want to share with you two quick tools that you can use in Google Drive that is going to change your business. This is super cool. I don't know why a lot of people aren't using it, but I want to share this tip with you guys, two of them. And one is being able to translate your Word document as well as your marketing pieces into different languages. And the other one is using speech to text. The power of automation is such a beautiful thing, and I highly recommend you use everything Google. Google is the largest search engine in the world. Not only that, they have such dynamic programs within their Google platform and their Google Drive that you're able to streamline and automate a lot of your business operations. So let's get right into it. I will show you by signing into my Gmail. So you'll need to have a Gmail account for this. Secondly, when you sign into your Gmail account, you'll want to click on the squares on the top right corner. It's called Google Apps. So right here is the drive. You can go ahead and open up the drive. So let's say you're working on a promotional marketing piece and you have clients from different countries, speak different languages, different nationalities, ethnicities, backgrounds, all that good stuff. And you don't want to hire someone on Fiverr to translate a document into a different language. This is so powerful. You can open up a Word doc and let's say we'll do a new document here. And let's say you want to explain something to somebody. We can quickly do buyers beware. I'm just using real estate as an example because my clients are real estate agents. So I'll do a buyers beware toolkit, 10 things you need to know. And then 1, do not get any loans before purchasing your home. Do not make large investments. Okay, so I'm just going to do a couple, but you kind of get the point. So let's say this was an opt-in form that you wanted to use, but you had a huge clientele that were from, I'll use my background. I'm from Thailand. I was born in Thailand, but I speak Laotian. So let's say you had a huge clientele that was from Thailand, and you wanted to market this opt-in to them. So where you would go ahead and translate this document is you would go up into Tools, and then you can click on Translate Document. And then you choose language, and you have all of these languages that you can choose from. So we'll go ahead and find my language, which they have, which is crazy, Laotian. And I'll just click Translate. So it'll make a copy of your document and save it into your drive. And then now you see that my document has now been translated into Thai writing, which also Laotian people can read Thai as well. And that's basically it, to be able to translate your document so that other people from other nationalities and countries are able to read. So this is really going to up your marketing game and your promotional pieces to be able to impact a larger audience. The next thing that I wanted to share with you guys is, let's just use this Word document as an example again. You can click on Tools and click on Voice Typing. So voice typing is going to save you so much time from typing everything, especially if you're not a quick typer. This is for you. Utilize this tool. This is amazing. So you just click on the little microphone and start speaking. And now that you see on my screen here, the speech to text is going to pick up everything that you're saying. What I would highly suggest when you are using a tool like this is to speak slowly so that the microphone is capturing every single thing that you're saying. But can you see how quickly your document is now being created? This is great for writers, people who are going to write a book, blog, anything that you are doing to write a document or write text on. Try the speech to text tool. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you like videos like this, make sure that you hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And let's be friends on Instagram. If you do have Instagram, you can follow me at Sami Logic. See you in the next video.